Welcome to our Matterport 3D Tour video guide. First, let me tell you that you can use this tour to navigate the home, or you can use the virtual tour link at the top left of this screen to view an enhanced version of this tour with many more features and tools. At the bottom left-hand corner of this tour, you will find a play icon. Use this icon to watch an animated 3D tour of the home. You can stop the tour at any time by simply clicking on the tour. Next, you will see white circles on the floor. These are the exact positions that each 3D image was captured with a professional 9-lens infrared Matterport camera. You can tour the home by either clicking on the circle on the floor or clicking your mouse in the direction you want to go. You can use your mouse to rotate each view by 360 degrees. You can use the icons below to view the home in a 3D view. You can also use your mouse to rotate the 3D view or to zoom in or out. Plus, you can re-enter the home by clicking inside the 3D model. You can also view the digital floor plan with each room being labeled. Again, you can access the tour by simply clicking on the point you would like to enter and view. If the home has multiple floors, you will also find a floor selector to switch the floor plan and 3D views. The measurement tool allows you to measure the room sizes in the floor plan. To successfully use this tool, make sure that your lines are straight, horizontally, or vertically. Again, if you want to watch this tour with much more information, tools, and background music, then please click the web link at the top left of this screen.